backing of IFES and the Garda Foundation, Adamawa Concerned Women in Politics, is steadfast in its mission to empower women to not only participate in politics but also to lead. We believe that with your support, Honorable Kate, and the support of the entire House, our advocacy will yield significant and lasting change, paving the way for a more inclusive and equitable political environment in Adamawa State.
Be deliberate in pursuing your goals as a politician, as a woman politician for that matter. You cannot just sit down. Gone are the days when manna falls from heaven. Gone are the days. So we shouldn't take chances and allow, what do you call it, angels or prophets to come and deceive us that we'll wait for space. For how long are we going to wait for the space? You have to be deliberate. You have to go out there and look for your own space. There's no limit. Don't see that because you are a woman, you have no. Gone are days when we are being barricaded to join politics. Even our religions now are encouraging us to join politics. Am I right?